Sounds like a lot of hoopla to make over a little Krabby Patty, right? Wrong!
Rain symbolizes loss and hurt and betrayal.
And calmness.
No.
Yes.
Calm thyself.
Calmness, my age.
It's a atmosphere where you have to think.
Why is rain calm, Lee?
Because it's calm.
Rain
That's almost as
detoxifies.
good as
There's like a
Tim's answer, though.
scientific
Look at what's better than
chemical that rain has that actually
what aspects does the rain have?
It has a
I guess it's
chemical
like a
that
soothing, not really calm.
literally.
Because it's rhythmic?
Can you guys hear me?
I can hear you.
You're
Lee.
talking
You're
over her
so
all the
quiet.
time.
She's so
She's quiet.
quiet. Go ahead.
Rain has a specific chemical that detoxifies negative emotions. So
People always depressed
Even though I
when
didn't
there's
know that,
sunset
I'm
out.
acting like I did.
That sounded so hippie.
Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a hipster.
It releases chemicals.
Absorb the energy
Meme
from
song.
the rain.
Hood, do you
Yes.
agree with this shit?
She with
What?
me.
Hood? Hoodie?
Huh?
Oh, do you agree
Do
with
you
that?
agree with that?
I agree with that.
she tuned us out.
Uh-uh.
Totally tuned us out.
No, she's thinking.
What?
I just bumped my head.
Come on, Hoodie. Come on now.
We're anticipating.
Repeat yourself.
What?
Repeat it.
Oh, do you agree that rain is good? What did you say? What was the argument?
Lily and
That rain is
If it was
good?
calm.
That
it was
the
calm.
rain is
It's
calming.
calming. Yeah.
Yeah, to me it is, yeah.
Hey man, this ain't no.
Maybe
to
it's just
me.
you dudes.
This is objective.
Objective.
Based off of things you can say about it. A lot.
Man, I need to crawl back.
Okay. Here's my reasoning here. Loss, hurt, and betrayal is because rain symbolizes crying. The earth is sad, and the sky is crying. And it's hurt because hurt and anger and betrayal because lightning and thunder is aggressive and it's loud and it's fierce and it will kill you. And it's dark too. Darkness. You're in darkness. You're in misery. The sun is gone. Your light. The light at the end of the tunnel is gone. Nowhere to be seen. Clouds.
Do you need to talk?
Did you
I
come up
do
with this
need
by
to talk.
yourself?
Holy shit.
Man, I used to be so afraid of lightning. I'd be like,
Did
it's
you
gonna
come
strike
up with
me through
this
my
or did
window.
you read this from somewhere?
This is off the top of my head right now. And thunder shakes your soul.
He's a philosopher.
The Lord has shaken my
He's
soul.
he's past
spoken to
he's
me
past the
about
Matthew.
the thunders and the rain. Bless me, my Lord.
Well, I mean,
Hashalamalalamalalamalalala.
you can't deny. Either way, without the sun, you get depressed after a while. Cause I forget something about the.
Cabin fever, kind of. Oh, and what was
Yeah.
it? Detroit?
There's
Was it? Or Michigan is like has the highest suicide rate because it's always raining.
Yeah, just the sun is like I don't know what it is. I'll have to look it back up. But without
Being
sunlight,
depressed is calming.
yeah,
Makes you feel like
that's like two
man's
totally.
suicidal
On
spiral of
myself.
filth.